And one. And two. Remember, stay close to your thigh at the bottom.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous
Set two.
Repetition Diner.
Easy work. Set two.
Your meals will be prepared
Right here. Two.
by the Beast Mode Chef.
Good.
He is
Four. Let's do money. Come on. And five. Big chest. Big chest. Come on.
the Super Set King.
Yeah. Come on. Seven. Good. Come on.
Who's hungry?
Good. Up 9.
Let's
good.
eat.
Come on. Up 10. Good.
Who's hungry?
Nice and pretty now. Nice and pretty. 1. Good.
Let's
Okay.
eat.
Come on. 2. Good. Come on.
Who's hungry?
3. Double them up. Double them up.
Let's eat.
4. Come on. Give me one. Give me one. All right. Bring it
Who's
down.
hungry?
Set.
Super Set King.
And 1. Flat at the bottom. 2 up top. Let's go.
Let's move that weight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They hungry, chef.
And 1.
Woo! Let's get them.
Good. Don't go to your face.
They call you the Super Set King.
Eat good. Eat good. Don't press backwards. Come on. Bring him here. Bring him here.
It's all about results.
Shit. Come on. Right here.
Better get him.
Don't go to your face. I'm right here. Won't you come here? There you go. Tilt him over to my finger. 2 more. Up. There you go.
Let's move that weight to the left. Step. 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 Woo! I like that. I like the way that looks, chef. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man.